let's find the derivative of y equals ln of the cube root of x squared plus 5 over 7 ln of x. And this is all raised to the fifth power. Okay, so let's first review the log properties that we need here. So whenever you have ln and then x to a power n, you bring down the exponent and multiply it by the log. And then if you have ln of a over b, that's just ln of a minus ln of b. And then if you have ln of a times b, you're just going to add those two. So let's keep that in mind as we're solving this. So first, what we're going to do is simplify this further using the log properties. And then when it looks nice, we'll take the derivative. Okay, so we'll do this step by step. Let's first address the fifth root here, or the fifth power. So that comes out in front by the first property. And I'm just going to rewrite this cube root as just x squared plus 5 raised to the 1/3 power. And so now I can use the second property where I split this up into two separate logs. And when I split this up, I want to make sure I'm multiplying both logs by 5. So I'm just going to put a bracket here. Okay. Now I can bring down the 1/3. So it'll be 5 times, and then the quantity 1/3 ln of x squared plus 5 minus, and here you have the option of breaking this up further. I'm going to show you that step just for practice. So this negative, you want to factor that out and then deal with ln of 7 times ln of x, which is this last property here. So you're going to multiply, or you're multiplying the 7 to ln of x, which means you need to add those two. And at this point, I'm just going to distribute the 5 just to make things nice. Okay, so in this case, you have the 5 and the negative. So just keep that in mind. You really have negative 5. Okay, now we're ready to take the derivative. So we have dy over dx. Now, I'm going to pull out the constant here and then just focus on the natural log. The way to do the derivative is you do 1 over the inside and then you multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. Now the derivative of 5 ln of 7 is 0 because it's a constant. And now with 5 here, we'll just pull that out and then focus on taking the derivative of ln of x. So first we're going to do 1 over the inside. So the inside is ln of x. And then you take the derivative of the inside. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. That goes on the top. And now we can simplify this further because 5 times 2x is 10x. And then you want to make sure this 3 distributes to both the x squared and the 5. So that's 3x squared plus 15. And this x is going to go down here with the natural log. So we have 5 over x times natural log of x. And that is our derivative.